try and beat you. You fucking idiot. I'm going on dash cam, man.
Fuck me dead.
Video protected.
What the fuck?
Are you for real? Fuck me.
Spell red.
Red? L-S-T-E-R. Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
Your self-confidence can go missing too. Your ability to eat and speak normally. Even your will to smile can go missing. If you have missing or broken teeth or you wear dentures, all on for total tooth replacement from Creative Smiles will replace what you've lost. And before you assume you can't afford it, now you might be eligible to use your super pay for it. Before you assume you can't afford it, now you might be eligible to use your super pay for it. You can get
40 fucking Ks.
free consultation at creativesmiles.com.au.
40 Ks, dickhead.
We can help you maintain your debt without lowest prices. Now through your clinic with a Gurney 1810 PSI pressure washer for only $169. Freshen up with Kappa 12-litre deck clean for $18.50. And Cabot's 4-litre Equitec decking oil for just $35. When you find a competitor's low price in the same stock down, you'll get it below 10%. Conditions apply. See website for details.
It's a fucking school zone. It's a fucking school zone. It's a school zone.
A few moments later.
Fucking knew it. Fucking loser.
Absolute fuck off, you're not getting in there.
Try and make it a bit more waterproof. Chris, so there are people like Gary Evans around. Can we have a chat about some of the common mistakes people make when they come to the life? Steve, his organisation's trickle-up report
Don't know where the fuck he is.
reforms
You
will
got a
financially
fucking
benefit wealthier
silver.
households at the
Oh,
expense
down
of
the
those who need
emergency
help
lane.
the most.
Why not?
Giving $233 a week to
One minute later.
Don't force the pilot car. Oh, you cheeky.
Too much issue that's been reported, and I understand, of course, there is some people that say, well, if we keep talking about it in the way
Here on actually high in sugar. The All Ords is down 61 points on 7,274.
Look at this fucking guy.
Jesus, clever. Clever.
Look at that thing, it's chrome! And he's done an illegal. So you squeeze that into the tiniest of parking spots. Look at this fucking dickhead doing fucking U-turn at traffic lights. Yep, that's it.
Involving her daughter essentially being held to ransom. But
oh, nice one.
It was AI voice. So these things are real. And I hate to...
Okay, people, move along. There's nothing to see here.
Asshole. There we go. What's the number?
Should I alter course?
No. We need to know if they can see through the cloaking device, and this is as good a time as any. Maintain course and speed.
fucking idiots.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
I'm a wanker, 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 I'm a wanker.
You're a yum or you're a wanker. Take your fucking choice. So who is your favorite G?
Rickety boats at sea. They become refugees for a second time after initially fleeing violence in Myanmar to neighbouring Bangladesh. But they now say conditions in the refugee camps at Cox's Bazar have become increasingly unbearable. As BBC Indonesia's Hannah Samasir reports from Aceh, tensions with local people have been rising, warning that parts of her report are distressing. A group of angry residents blocks a boat carrying more than
Come on, you fucking arsehole!
Manual recording on.
That's a shit driver. That is a shit driver.
Jesus!
Cooper Street Epping, next weekend, 9 till 4. Footy, mates, kids, fun, live music, and a sausage sizzle. Absolutely retro, plus 30 bands.
Psycho!
Fucking ran a red.
1 minute later.
Oh, look at all the deer running around.
To view the solar eclipse or heading down south camping with the
An excellent 40 Stableford points in B grade to win the midweek medley Stableford event. In A grade, Ross Thompson was third for 37 points.
What the hell is that?
Look at dopey.
Let's go. Touch it. Touch it. Touch it.
It's cold.
Fuck it. Sick. It's still walking, that fucking piece of beef.
Brumbies?
They're ugly looking things.
Ugly looking things. There you go. First set of Brumbies.
Not long for this world.
Yeah. They'll get found. Although they're not a national park, so it might be a while until they get found.
Let 'em roll from sea to shining sea. Far
Cannonball.